Are you struggling with stubborn pimples? If yes, then let me show you a natural remedy that actually works. Lemongrass is actually one of the best natural ingredients that works for acne. It kills the bacteria, it kills the acne causing bacteria. It helps to reduce oil on the skin, also helps to calm. Lemongrass toner is a natural toner for acne prone skin. It helps kill the acne causing bacteria, prevents new ones from reoccurring, also helps to dry out the pimples gently. When you're done making it, just pour it in a container. Then before you use it, you cleanse your face. Then after cleansing your face, you just, on the pimples, you spray. Avoid contact with the eyes. Use this once a day for 3 days, and if you notice how well your skin adjusts to it, then you can increase it to using it in the morning and in the evening, like this, and use it to clean the area. So this will actually help to dry out the pimples, prevent new one from forming, and also help to control oil production on your face. This toner is actually a go toner for anyone that is suffering with pimples or that has an acne prone skin. Always patch test before using any products, before you use it, to see if it will irritate your skin. Don't store this toner for more than 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Also, if you feel a tightness or a burning sensation, just dilute it with water, with little water, then it should be able to neutralize it and you're ready to go. So that's all for lemongrass toner, a cure for stubborn pimples. So let me know if you like these tips, and comment any of your skin problem, and I'll surely make a video that will help solve your issues. So if you like this video, follow for more tips like this.